Okay, so there's the Spinosaurus on the loose, on the street. What is up, guys? Charles here of Best Apps, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool, really awesome 3D augmented reality dinosaur. To do this, we are going to use a feature in Google which lets us use their 3D augmented reality. I had so much fun making this video, and I'm so excited to show you guys how to do this. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this. So we are now outside, so I could show you in real time what we're doing here. To start with, we only need to go to Google search bar and type in the name of the animal or the name of the dinosaur. And for this video, let's type in Spinosaurus. So you might have a different search result, but what we're looking for right here is this 3D dinosaur, which is a feature in Google. So right here it says view in 3D, so that's what we're looking for. We will just have to tap in to this button. Okay, so we are now here inside the feature of Google, Augmented Reality feature, and what we need to do next is tap in View in your space. Okay, at this point, Google needs to scan your video and look for a surface. So you could help by tilting your phone from side to side until Google detects the surface of the video. Okay, so once Google detects the surface of your video, it will start generating the graphics. So right now the graphics is already generated and we can now see the dinosaur in the flesh. Okay, so this is only 3D augmented reality, guys. It's not actually there, but all we need to do this time is to tap this circle at the middle, which starts to record what the screen is showing us. So as you can see, this graphics is really awesome. I mean, look at the texture and the realism of this graphics. It looks really real. And it also generates this sound effects that is contributing a lot to the realism of this augmented reality. So Google only lets us capture a maximum of 30 seconds of video of this augmented reality. So if you want to capture more video, you can tap the circle once again, and that's going to let you capture another 30 seconds, but that's going to be the maximum length of the video that you're going to capture, 30 seconds. So once you're happy of what you've captured, you can tap on the right circle and that's going to show you the captured video. As you can see, the captured video is automatically stored in your internal storage of your phone, and it's going to register as a video on your camera folder. So my final thoughts on this feature of Google. I think that this feature is very useful, especially for educational purposes, that we can now be able to show and observe augmented reality of these animals that otherwise we would only see on pictures and videos. But this time, it looks more realistic and really immersive. So what are your thoughts on this feature in Google? Let me know on your comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, a big thumbs up would be very much appreciated. Consider subscribing to get notified with my next video. This has been Charles of Best Apps. That's all for today. I'll see you on the next one.